Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change email in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first and first, you have to go to the home page, obviously. And there in this corner, you can simply see your email and all. Simply go to the add another account. And here is where you can either continue with Facebook if you have linked your account with the Facebook, you can do that. You can also continue with email, and yeah, there's another way of signing up with work email. There are so many options, but what you have to do is it's totally up to you. But I will go with continue with Google, and there you can simply tap in this option and you can choose your account and change your email like that. Yeah, you can add up your required information like password and email that the um, this will ask. And yeah, that is how you change email. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.